Hey everyone, my name is Rita Daleto and today I explain you how to need to use contouring palette. So, you have many contouring palette but still not idea how to use them? Let me help you. Simple and clear. Most palette look like this. Strong color, weight tone, not for everyday makeup. It's better to buy product one by one. Find your perfect tone, not a full box. Don't go for dark shades. Use the soft shadow color like your natural face shadow. I don't follow the classic contouring map. I focus on my real face shape. Like here, I contour my temples but not my cheeks. This makes me look younger. My nose, I use Asian style contouring, only the top near the eyes, little bit on the nose. My little secret for big lips, look. Usually I use different concealer for different skin tone, tan, pale, matte. Highlights your nose sides, this make it look smaller. I know it's strange but it's work. Don't use light concealer under the eyes if you have dark circle. Use peach concealer. Light concealer will make it worse. Blend it and then use powder. Now it's powder contouring. I use light gray tone, not orange. Build it up. Better soak that too much. Too much, tap with the foundation sponge. I like highlighter on my nose and above my lips, but only if I feel like it. Makeup is not a rule, it's how you express yourself. Don't like contouring? Skip it. Like a purple blush? Go for this. Test, play, love what you see. Thank you for watching my video, subscribe my channel and see you next video. Bye!